On this auspicious morning of Saraswati Puja, a teacher takes the privilege of interviewing her student, Bhumika Singh, who has made us proud through her participation in the Republic Day Parade 2025 at Rajpath, New Delhi. A matter of pride, Bhumika. Congratulations. Let me tell you, she had been the youngest member of the Naval NCC Cadet from the West Bengal and Sikkim Directorate. Welcome, Bhumika, to your own school once again. Now, you have made it a long way from Lilua to Rajpath. Just tell us a little bit about your experience.
In class 4, I took admission in Amritsar Balika Shiksha Sadan. Amritsar Balika Shiksha Sadan has played a great role in shaping my personality. From Bharat Scouts and Guides, I'm also a member of Bharat Scouts and Guides, and during all the levels, I got the privilege to take part in
all the guiding activities. Okay.
All the guiding activities. And
Bhumika, I heard that you have got a very sweet nickname over there.
Yes.
What is it?
The nickname is Pocket Dynamo.
Pocket Dynamo. Okay.
It was a name given by our colonel, contingent commander who went with us, and he used to tell it to every officers present there. We used to meet so many officers of senior rank, the naval officers who have got the sword of order. They used to come and talk to me, and it felt really proud. And after that, Rajnath Singh, our defense minister, also visited us. We had eye contact with him. He gave us his speech, and then we had photo session with him also. After that, we visited PM House. There,
Prime Minister's house. Yes. So you see, Bhumika, a student, has visited the Prime Minister's house. And did you meet our Prime Minister?
Yes.
Okay.
We had a photo session with our Prime Minister. Like we were sitting behind him, and Prime Minister, Defence Minister, Sports Minister, Travel Minister, and DG NCC all were sitting in front, and we had photo session with him. And then we had cultural program by the NCC, NSS, and Tabulets, and then our Prime Minister gave his speech, which was very motivating.
That means, like at this young age, you have achieved what many people, many of us, would never dream of in our lifetime.
Actually, there also I was told that in such a young age, you have done Rajya Puraskar also. You are Rashtrapati Puraskar aspirant. You have done RDC. You are in second year of NCC. Like how? Like I used to say that it just has been possible because of my parents who enrolled me in NCC and Guides and have given me this opportunity, and also because of my teachers who helped me shaping my personality and overall character.
And what do you want to say about the principal of your school, our principal sir?
I'm very thankful to our principal sir who gives equal opportunity to each and every student to take part in each and every activity. We have many activities in our school, such as playing of guitar, sitar, violin, then synthesizer, and also in learning of robotics, drone making, printing of things on paper or clothes,
or other materials,
yes, like cup. So I'm very thankful to our principal sir, and of course all the teachers who helped me shaping my personality, and the Bharat Scouts and Guides team, Madam Shilpa Sharkar. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Obliged, my dear.
Ma'am, if you would have not been there, then I would have never gone to Delhi.
It's
but
just
all just because of you. Ma'am has taught us drill and each and everything, and also like I'm very confident now about me, and it just has been possible because of ma'am. Because in class 4, when I joined Guides, I was nothing. I was just a shy little girl, but now I can say that I am very bold because of ma'am.
Very smart, actually.
Yeah, actually.
Very smart.
Confident. Who can make her own decisions.
Actually, decision-making power is very, very important. And now, what are your future plans?
My future plan is to get into defense forces.
Congratulations once again, and we wish you all the very best. And we want to see you higher up in our defense forces. You have been our guide, Bulbul, since your childhood,
Yes.
you had been associated with the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Now tell me, how guiding has shaped your personality? You spoke about the school.
Yes.
Now I think Girl Guiding is a movement which you already know, which is the largest civic movement in the world,
Yes.
right? And then being a part of it, how did this help you in shaping and molding yourself? I will not say your character, I will say yourself.
Yes. Guiding has played a great role, ma'am, because in guiding we are taught to carry out the things with the essentials present at that very moment. We are taught to make camp essentials such as tents and multi-purpose gadgets such as shoe rack and everything with just knotting ropes and stuff. And living in tents, that is a great experience. And after that, getting qualified for the Rajya Puruskar, that is of another level. And one guiding has helped me in shaping my each and every kind of personality. Because from guiding I have learned many things which helps me in my NCC also.
And will help you in future.
Future also.
Yes.
In
And at the same time, not only the improvisation and the discipline, at the same time, staying together is
Yes,
also what
staying-
we teach in guiding.
Yes, ma'am. Staying together, and as the guide motto says, be prepared.
Exactly.
The hat has taught me a lot because I am prepared for each and everything, whatever comes to me. And staying together, the leadership quality, unity, discipline, all this have been taught by our guide.
Did you participate in any such other competitions before?
Yes, ma'am. I must again go back to the guiding experience. I have participated in the Howrah District Association of Bharat Scouts and Guides, wherein I represented in the District Magistrate Republic Day Parade, and also we participated in the state level judging competition.
Standard judging competition, you mean to say, okay?
And there we got the second runners-up award.
So all these competitions had also been steps,
Yes,
which
ma'am.
has actually made you move towards your goal
Yes, ma'am.
more and more. This is what I
Like,
understand.
Marching from the school to the DM parade and finally to the Rajpath and PM rally. This was my stage.
Yes, the journey from Lilua to Rajpath. Bhumika, your message for the young girls of the country.
Yes. My message to all the young girls in our country is that the world is very big and we have got a number of opportunities to represent ourselves in each and every field. We are no less than boys. We can do everything. Just we need to have that willpower and determination. So, girls, go for it because you have it in you.
I would also like to say, Bhumika, what Bhumika said is actually where there is will, there is a way. Actually. Thank you so much, Bhumika. And now, as already you have been awarded these certificates, here is the certificate of honor and the memento that has been awarded to you. The school has felicitated Bhumika Singh today, and I wish, on behalf of the entire school, I wish Bhumika Singh a very, very bright future. Thank you.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
तू ही मेरी
led by Junior Under Officer Mohit Sharma and flag borne by Senior Under Officer Noori Banu.
युवा जुनून कुछ नया कर दिखाने का, जोश आगाज को अंजाम तक पहुंचाने का, हौसला नामुमकिन को मुमकिन कर दिखाने का और संकल्प देश को सर्वोच्च शिखर पर ले जाने का।